is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go! In this video here, I want to show you how to copy and paste. Listen, if you can copy and paste, I'm going to show you a website that you use every single day, okay? And you're just unaware that you can use this site right now. You don't need any money. You don't need that much time. And you can be brand new to the internet, okay? And make up to $5,000. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof in the video. Now listen, you don't have to smash the like button. You don't have to sub to the channel. But all you need to do is listen, because I'm going to go step by step. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. But before I get started, listen, number one, comment below and let me know where you live, because this is worldwide. Smash the like button. Two, you got to believe that where you are, you can do this. So the first step is just to go to Amazon.com. Now listen, this is a loophole. Many people don't know how to use Amazon to make money. A lot of you are buying things, like you're hitting the buy button and taking action and buying stuff over and over again, but you're not profiting. How many of you are actually buying things from Amazon but not making money? So I'm going to show you a loophole here that you can do real quickly here to make money by copying and pasting. If you can copy and paste on your phone, okay, or on your keyboard here, you can make a ton of money here. So listen, the first thing you want to do is this. You go to Amazon.com. You need to get yourself a free account. It's easy, right? You probably already have an account, right, big head? But the problem is you're spending money, you're not making money, okay? So what you want to do is click on the word all, okay? Click on best sellers, okay? Best sellers here. And what you're going to see here is all the best selling products here. But you want to scroll down here. Let me move my big head to the right here. Give me a second, okay? You want to scroll down here, okay? And what you want to do is look for the word that says Kindle Store, okay? See that? Kindle Store. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how these people here, they're making a ton of money. Let me give you an example. This book right here, okay, called Sold on a Monday by this lady by the name of Christina, $7. Now Kindle, and understand that's a digital product, which means that she don't ship anything. She's not packaging anything. She's just basically uploading words that is digital. And so far, she has made over $140,000. Okay? Think about that for a second. $140,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I don't know how to write. It's okay. I'm going to give you a trick, and I want you to use it now. Right? You might say, Wesley, I'm not a writer. You don't need to be a writer, okay? Look at this person right here. Like the real Anthony Fawcett, right? Already has earned $4,000 here. Look at this person down here. $15 for, that's 4,000 reviews. So if you do the math here, this person have already earned $45,000. The question is, why aren't you making this money? So I'm going to show you a strategy here that you can utilize to basically to do it. Because what we're going to do is we're going to self-publish here, okay? On Kindle, on Amazon, the crazy thing is they allow you as a beginner to basically take an ebook, okay, which is a digital ebook, and you can post it on this, and it takes only 5 minutes. You see that? Publishing takes 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, you can be up and selling a book and making up to $100 to $1,000 per day, like all these other folks are doing as well, okay? And the great thing about it, they're going to give you 70% of what's sold. So whatever book, whatever price point that you use that I'm going to show you in this video right here, that's easy money, and you can sell them to people in US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan. Smash the like button if you're in one of these countries here, and smash the like button if you know that you can do this. Now listen, now pay attention. This is the trick, because see, many people, this is what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, if I post a book online, how are people going to find me? I mean, I'm just a little guy. I'm just a little girl. How are they going to find me? How are you going to find? Check it out. Listen very closely here. So what you want to do here is this. See, the reason why we did a search on the trending, because what we're going to do is copy, listen, what they're doing, and we're going to paste it on the Kindle Store, okay? Now, I know you're still confused, so stay with me here, okay? Now, listen, the site that you want to go to It's called plrproducts.com. Okay, plrproducts.com. These folks, it's called private label rights. That's all what it is. They have books on this website that you can basically download, and I think they charge like $15 a month, which is super worth it, right? And the reason why it's better to go to these sites instead of the free sites, because everybody uses the free PLR sites. I would say use this site because I know it works, because I've helped somebody do it. I actually help people. They pay me a few $1,000s a month to do it for them, and I give you guys the opportunity to do that thing as well. But listen, all you gotta do is go here. You find a book on Amazon.com that's trending right now, and you want to duplicate it. Now, right now, what we know is trending, and I'm going to show you something that I have a friend that I help. He paid me a couple of $1,000, and I just did it for him. He's a little bit older, so he was like, Wesley, I'll pay you $3,000. I said, okay. So, listen, this is what you want to do in the crypto space. Crypto is hot right now, okay? So, what you want to do is type in cryptocurrency here. And I'm showing this because I just did this 48 hours ago for somebody, and they just made $5,000. Okay, so look, here's a book right here, $16. This person has made $16,000. Smash the like button if it's okay if I show you how to make $16,000 instead of $5,000. So what you do is, since it's crypto, you go back here to PLR products. Okay, type in cryptocurrency. And see, look, we're not writing a book here. You don't need to write a book. Okay, books have already been written for you to basically resell them for free. Okay, cryptocurrency here. We have crypto secrets here. So as you can see here, we have many crypto books. It's $9. Doesn't matter. Okay, because if you post this, just like this person right here. Let's go back here. They posted this book. They made $16,000. So what's $10 to make $16,000? Here's another person. $14, only 31 people bought it, but that's still cash money, right? That's $100 plus here. Okay, actually, there's almost $3,000 here. See this person right here? It's almost $4,000 here. Mastering the blockchain. So what you want to do is find something that's very close and comparable to what's already trending on Amazon. That's how you rank first. Okay. That's the trick. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're getting massive value. Let's go. Look, check it out. So you just download one. You pay the $9 to the $10, and you basically take the book that's already written and you basically model. Come at the word model. You copy and paste exactly what they did. Everything. You click on it right from the description. All this, you just copy everything because you know it works. And what you want to, listen, let me give you another trick because I love you so much. You want to click here that says average customer reviews here. You find something that has the most reviews. You see that? So that's something that you want to model. You model everything, the description, everything that they did, you just copy and paste. Does that make sense? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Do you want to quit your job? Yes. Do you want to drop out of school? Yes. Do you want to become independently wealthy? Yes. Comment the word. Yes. Like the video. Okay. So listen, that's just how it works. Then you just go here. You sign in. It only takes 5 minutes and you publish in 24 hours. You can have a legitimate book published on Amazon, making thousands, $5,000, $10,000 per month easily because you just copy and paste it exactly what's already working. Now listen. Like I said before, I helped a couple of people. They paid me a couple of $1,000s to do it for them. And what I would like to do, 10 people that are on this video right now, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, what I want to do is something cool for you. If you look in the description under this video, for 10 people, I want to give you a gift, which means this. I understand you don't have $1,000. Some of you do, some of you don't. But what I want to do for 10 people, every single month, I do this on all my different videos on my channel. When people sub, I want to give them a gift for $17, which is insane. First 10 people that click that link under the description, under the video, I'm going to give you access to what is called App Jam. And what it does, it's a software, and it does all this for you automatically. So it's basically like me doing it for you. I did it for several people. They pay me thousands of dollars. Listen, if you're looking for a change in your life financially, and you want me to help you do it right now using this software app, Jam, 10 people for $17. That's it. I'm going to change your life financially. If you're willing to persevere, you're willing to be patient and work with me, I'm going to change your life, okay? The link is in the description right under this video. It says, do it for me, Wes. I'm going to do it for you, okay? Click on that link, pay $17, invest $17. Listen, if you're number 11, it's $1,000. If you're too late, it's your fault. You have a bird in the hand. If you're watching this, I don't know where you are right now. I don't know what your situation is, but if you want to change it, you have to take action now. If you want something in your life to be different, you have to take action now. 10 people right now per month, okay? And I get emails all the time of people that are too late and they beg me, please, Wesley, give it to me for $17. No, if you're too late, absolutely not. I'm a man of my word. First 10 people, you could be man, woman, teenager, doesn't matter. If you're the first 10, I'm going to work with you with the software here, App Jam. It's going to do all this stuff for you. You're going to copy and paste, but the software is going to do it for you. Set it up one time and you're in the zone. Imagine making a ton of money, not going to work anymore, not going to school, and understanding that you, for the first time, made a decision for your family to change your life and to break the generational curse of poverty. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Yeah!